Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm excited here at Harbor Freight because they have their spring Black Friday sale and deals going on. It started today, Monday, April 8th through April 11th for Inside Track Club members, and then everyone else starts saving on April 12th through the 15th. First up, we've got a 3-ton Daytona heavy duty jack ratcheting jack stand pair for $27. They come in all these different colors. When you first walk into the store, this is what I'm excited about. This Portland pressure washer, it's $64. I think it's a 27% savings, but I've been looking at this and seeing that it's going to come down. For $299, this is $100 off. This 15 amp high output motor 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. It comes with a free 60 tooth carbide blade, and this is what it looks like outside of the box. Has a pretty neat, good look. It's oversized bevel scale as well. And this is the $34 Bauer 3 horsepower, 3-gallon wet dry vac. Next to it, they've got their Bauer brushless power washer, and this is $189. It is corded, and it has over 30% more cleaning power. This is an air nailer and stapler combo for $19.99. It's 33% off. And as the name says, you can use nails or staples in this gun. For $149, this is $10 off. This is an 8-gallon air compressor from McGraw. And keep in mind with this size, you do get a free air compressor tool with this. For $29, this is a Pittsburgh 130-piece toolkit with case. It's a pretty nice little kit. It comes with the handle, SA and metric, comes with the hex keys and all the different tools here. Right below it is the $169 301-piece mechanics tool set, SA and metric as well. And look at all the stuff that this one comes with here. The pliers, hex keys. For $649, this is the Predator super quiet inverter with 3,500 max watts, it looks like. And then next to it is the $379.99 at $100 off. This is a 4375 max watt portable generator, and this comes with the carbon monoxide shutdown CO secure technology here, and it has 16 hours of runtime, this one's saying. Now this is a Badland 499 winch. It's $100 off, a 1,200-pound winch. And I think it's got 80 or 90 feet of the synthetic line there. 80 feet, it looks like. And then next to it, they had these $14 air hoses. I think they're 50-foot PVC air hoses, non-marring from Merlin. And then you can pick from whatever color you want here. And for $44, this is 25% off. This is a 5-tier Yukon storage rack. This is what it looks like here banded up, but this is it on the display item here. So for $45, you get that. For $648, these are some moving blankets here, and they're 72 inches by 80 inches. It's a moving blanket, it's 40 square feet, and this is the dark blue color, and then right behind it, they've got this black color if you want that one. For $40 off, this is $59. This is a 1/3 horsepower submersible utility pump. Let's see, from Drummond, they've got that green color here. And $899, this is $200 off. This is the Predator quiet generator. I think it's dual fuel as well. So you can use propane or gasoline. And that's $899, $200 off. For $39, this is 50% off. This is a sprayer. It's 7 times faster than a roller and 12 times faster, it's saying, than a brush. And that's from Avanti. And then right next to it here for $199, that's $50 off. This is an airless paint sprayer and primer. You just hook it up right to the paint can and you can just spray from there. It has the different settings here. You can use it for spray or primer. This little nozzle here, and then it has the spray gun. Comes with hosing and everything you'll need. This is an Armstrong large tilt mount TV mount for $14.99. That's 34% off for large TVs, and they have the smaller one for $8.92. That's 40% off. And that's 17 to 42 inch TVs, and you can use it to bring away from the wall and swivel, and it can hold up to 66 pounds, I believe, on this one. And look at this green color. This is a US General for $529, $70 off. It's a 42 inch by 22 inch roll cab. It's a 3 series here, and this is what it looks like. It's got all the space you need for your tools and items here, and the pop kind of levers up like that, as you can see. and was $5.99, $70 off. Here comes in all these different colors if you need to match it to your tool shop. For $99, this is a 48-inch multi-purpose workbench with LED light from Yukon. Now, this has the drawers that come out like so. It has two drawers, and then up top here, I'll show you in just a sec, it's got the bench, and then it's got the up top LED light here, which you can switch on and off. So you can bring this in your workshop wherever you need it. For $2.99, this is 50% off. You've got the ammo can here, but you can use it for whatever you need. You can use it at, saying, ammunition, fishing gear, electronics, camera equipment, whatever you think you can put in there. For $99, for $30 off, this is a Daytona 1,300-pound wheel dolly for vehicle positioning. This says no extra equipment needed here. For $11.99, this is a Pittsburgh special torque wrench here. It's a click type torque wrench, so a lot of times these come in packages as far as kits with other items, but if you just need the torque wrench itself, then here it is. For $64, you got an 800-pound hand truck. And then for $9.95, you got this 350-pound capacity folding sawhorse. It's a pretty good deal on that one. And then for $94, you've got this 17-foot max reach multitask ladder from Franklin. It says super strong, over 300-pound capacity on this one. And they've got a few of them here. For $398, it's 50% off. This is a brown portable folding work light. It's 175 lumens, and you can hang it. It's got a magnetic base, so you can set it on your tool and workshop area. Now for $39, this is 27% off. You've got this Icon floodlight here, and this is water resistant. And I'm going to come in the back here to show you what it turns on like. You can see that's actually the low setting, and you can see it getting brighter like that. I didn't want to shine it directly into the camera like I did last time. For $692, this is 46% off. 310 lumen swivel headlamps. I really like these, and you can try these out as well. You can see the different settings. It's got a flash setting on this one as well. And these are the Braun brand. If you need to stock up on some batteries, for $494, everything here is 29% off. A great time to stock up if you need some new batteries. They're going to be triple that price in other stores. $34.99. This is the 14-inch corded chainsaw from Portland. Just keep in mind it is corded. It's 14 inches, but I mean, for $34, that's a pretty good deal. If you just need something as a backup, maybe for your main chainsaw. For $49, this is an electric pole saw. It's 23% off. This is from Portland as well. It looks like the Portland brand here is being taken advantage of with this sale. And keep in mind of the Atlas brand. I'll go over that later. This is an earth auger, 52cc 2 horsepower earth auger for $189. This is what the blade looks like. It's got a 6-inch diameter bit head, and this is the box of it here for $189. This is a multi-purpose backpack sprayer for $19.99. It's 33% off. So if you need to use this for spraying chemicals, it has chemical resistant seals as well as adjustable straps. For $398, this is 33% off. And it's a water sprayer. Has 6 patterns with the jet, kind of standard here, but if you just need something to replace an old one or one for a new hose, you can use this one. This is a compact router kit for $34. This is what it looks like here, or a trim router, I'm sorry. Variable trim router for $34. This is from Bauer. And then they have a high-speed inflator from Pittsburgh for $24. And that's showing here gearless direct drive for quiet operation, 12 volt, 100 psi. This is an 8 volt cordless rotary toolkit for $34. And this is what the tool looks like out of the box. And then I will show you the toolkit here. Comfort grip housing. This is the box that comes with its zip case, which is pretty standard, but I like how it includes the 40-piece accessories as well. This is the surface conditioning tool from Bauer. Comes with everything you'll need. It's a 9-amp tool for $99. It's $50 off. Goes up to 3,700 RPMs, but just keep in mind this is corded. For $9.98, 33% off. This is a Warrior slide switch angle grinder. I know some of you are a little cautious of Warrior brand, but it's on sale. This is for $29, a variable speed oscillating multi-tool from Bauer, saying it's got 50% more power. This is corded as well, and it's 40% off. For $34, this is a reciprocating saw. It's 36% off. This is at out of box. This is at inbox here. And it's a 10 amp tool, and that is corded. For $99, it's $40 off. This is a 10-inch sliding compound miter saw here. I don't see the brand, but maybe I just missed it here. So again, this is a 10-inch kind of standard saw was $139, $40 off on this one. So Bauer's deal here, this is a random orbital and polisher for $39. And it's saying it's 5.7 amps, 6-inch variable speed. This is a heat gun for $29.99. It's 25% off. It's 12 amps, 1600 watts. And this is from Bauer. Now for the free tool deals here. So Hercules, you get a free tool when you buy a 20 volt 5 amp hour battery and charger. Atlas, when you get a $139 battery, you get a free tool, one of these tools here. And then Bauer, you get a free tool when you buy the 3 amp charger and battery. So that's $89, and then you get up to $142 worth of savings here. And then these are the McGraw savings. You also get a free air compressor tool when you buy one of the, at least it's the 8-gallon compressors.